हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस एजुकेशनल वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को डीएवी क्लास 7 इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस के चैप्टर 3 द कंपाउंड सेंटेंस का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। चलिए स्टूडेंट्स शुरू करते हैं। वर्कशीट 1, रीड दीज सेंटेंसेस टेकन फ्रॉम द यूनिट पीपल एट वर्क from my English reader class 7. Put a tick against those sentences that contain one subject and one predicate. स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों को मेरे चैनल पर इंग्लिश रीडर के भी सॉल्यूशन वीडियोस मिल जाएंगे, तो उन वीडियोस को भी जरूर देख लीजिएगा। I don't want to make mistakes. Correct. I have solved them all my life, but I still make mistakes. ये wrong हुआ है। I have a few pieces of glass. Correct. I sold the ring for the right price and I made 2 pounds on the picture. Wrong. Remember, sentences that have only one subject and one predicate and make complete sense are known as simple sentences. In the sentences given above, sentence 2 and 4 consist of 2 parts. I have sold them all my life. I still make mistakes. I sold the ring for the right price. I made 2 pounds on the picture. In sentence 2, the 2 parts are joined by the conjunction but. In sentence 4, the 2 parts are joined by the conjunction and. Each of the clauses contain a subject and a predicate and makes complete sense. So it is a simple sentence. Next देखते हैं वर्कशीट 2. Remember, a compound sentence is made up of 2 or more clauses which are independent of each other. They are of the same order or rank and can stand on their own. They are coordinate clauses. Work with your partner. Read the sentences given below and write S for simple sentences and CS for compound sentences. It is getting late. S. The students won the match and the coach was happy. CS. Should I write a letter or should I make a phone call? CS. This is a beautiful picture. S. My parents are away to Delhi but they will back on Monday. CS. She was nervous but she faced the audience. CS. Is it stolen or have you lost it? CS. The weather was warm but it was rather humid. CS. My computer is out of order. S. The girl was happy but she missed her mother. CS. Next देखते हैं वर्कशीट 3. Work in pairs. Find out a few things about your partner. Get him her to answer a few questions in order to know about more him her. A few questions and answers have been given as examples. Build up the rest yourself. Take turns to ask questions and ask your partner to write down the answers for each. Use the conjunctions given in brackets to frame your answers. Use the same conjunctions for your own sentences. Also, you. What would you do if you found a lot of money in the park? Partner. I would keep some and give the rest to the police. You. What do you like about your school? What do you dislike about it? Partner. I like the school discipline but I dislike the school canteen. You. What will you do if you win a cash prize worth rupees 1 lakh? Partner. I would deposit the money in the bank or invest it somewhere. You. Are they your friends? Partner. They are my neighbors but they are not my friends. You. What did your teacher tell you? Partner. She told me that I will not be promoted unless I work hard. You. Why is she late? Partner. She is late because she is unwell. Next देखते हैं वर्कशीट 4. Get into groups of 3. In the boxes given below, write the names of at least 3 professionals. Write down things they have to do if they want to be successful in their field. Use and, but, or. One has been done for you as an example. An athlete. He can win races, but he has to practice hard. He must eat well and get proper sleep. He can join a gym to keep fit or exercise on the field on his own. Second, a doctor. He has completed his MBBS and he became a doctor. A doctor gives medicine or prescribes it. A doctor operates patient, but he should do it carefully. A teacher. A teacher is a friend, but she should maintain a discipline. A teacher must prepare her lesson in advance and make it interesting. A postman. A postman comes to our streets and delivers letters. A postman brings letters in the morning or he does so in the afternoon. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं वर्कशीट 5. Look at the pictures given below and try to guess what is the situation and what each person wants. Write a sentence connecting the two pictures using and, but, or. One has been done for you. She wants to go home by bus, but there is no bus to her home. He wants to drink juice, but the juice shop is closed. The day was too hot and he wants to swim in swimming pool. He wants to buy clothes, but he has no money. He wants to play football, but he has not completed his homework. Next देखते हैं वर्कशीट 6. Read the following news. Underline the compound sentence. देख लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स, इसे मैं रीड नहीं कर रही हूँ. Worksheet 7. Get into groups of 3. Read the following headings. Select any one of them and discuss it among yourselves. Homework should be abolished. All schools should have a 5-day week. Children should be admitted only to neighborhood schools and ideal schools students. Now individually write an article on the topic selected by you using a mixture of simple and compound sentences. स्टूडेंट्स, ये आर्टिकल मैं फर्स्ट टॉपिक होमवर्क शुड बी अबॉलिश्ड पर लिखी हूँ. देख लीजिए. आई थिंक होमवर्क शुड बी अबॉलिश्ड एंड ऑल द टास्क शुड बी completed within the school so that wherever the students get stuck, they can take the help of the teachers. The students would get a lot of time to read some creative books, stories and other activities. Homework not only makes the students busy, but also it makes them dull and tired. It is an opt saying that all work and no play makes dull. The students should be given some free time to play with their friends. Some students may learn something else, like they can attend a dance or music class. Some students will read newspaper and some will read novels. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं वर्कशीट 8. Put commas in the following sentences. One has been done as an example. Raman cooked the meal, comma, and Ronnie washed the dishes. Manika went to see film, comma, and Silpa went to play basketball. Help me clean up the bedroom, comma, or I will tell mom, comma, you made the mess. Radhika loves computers, comma, and she has got a job as a computer artist. The coach told me to practice every day, comma, or he would drop me from the team. If your friend calls, comma, should I give him your message, comma, or should I ask him to come again? He wants to read, comma, but he has misplaced his spectacles. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं वर्कशीट 10. डू इट योरसेल्फ. रीड द पैसेज गिवन बिलो. देयर आर सम एरर्स. अंडरलाइन द एरर एंड राइट द करेक्शन इन द स्पेस प्रोवाइडेड. वन हैज़ बीन डन एज एन एग्जाम्पल. स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग इसे देख लीजिए, मैं इसे रीड नहीं कर रही हूँ. फ्रेंड्स इसी के साथ हम लोगों का ये वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसे एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स और भी सब्जेक्ट पे एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड सॉल्यूशन वीडियोस अपलोड है, उन वीडियोस को जरूर देख लीजिएगा और वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा और अपने दोस्तों के साथ और क्लासमेट्स के साथ वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।